How to grow a sweet potato vine indoors, a step-by-step guide. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel MtecHD. Today, we're diving into a fun and easy indoor gardening project, growing a sweet potato vine indoors. Sweet potato vines are not just beautiful with their lush, trailing greenery, but they're also incredibly easy to grow from an ordinary sweet potato. Whether you're looking to add some greenery to your space, experiment with indoor gardening, or even involve kids in a simple, educational project, this guide has you covered. Let's jump right into the step-by-step process for growing your very own sweet potato vine indoors. Why grow a sweet potato vine indoors? Before we begin, let's talk about why growing a sweet potato vine is such a great idea. These plants are versatile, low maintenance, and add a touch of vibrant green or even purple to your home decor. They're perfect for hanging baskets, trailing down shelves, or brightening up a kitchen windowsill. Plus, watching the roots and vines grow is incredibly satisfying and makes for a great conversation starter. Choosing the right sweet potato. The first step is selecting the right sweet potato. Visit your local grocery store or farmer's market and pick a healthy, firm sweet potato. Avoid any that have soft spots or mold. If possible, choose an organic sweet potato, as some conventionally grown ones may be treated with growth inhibitors, which can slow down sprouting. If you're feeling adventurous, look for sweet potatoes with unique colors like purple or orange for added visual appeal. Preparing the sweet potato. Once you have your sweet potato, it's time to prepare it for sprouting. You'll need a glass jar or cup that's slightly larger than the potato, some toothpicks, and water. Insert 3 or 4 toothpicks around the middle of the sweet potato to create a support structure. Place the sweet potato in the jar, with the pointed end or smaller end facing down and the wider end above the rim. Fill the jar with enough water to submerge the bottom half of the sweet potato. Placing the sweet potato for sprouting. Set your jar in a warm, bright location where it will get plenty of indirect sunlight. A kitchen counter near a window is a perfect spot. Avoid placing it in direct sunlight, as this can overheat the water and hinder growth. Within 1 to 2 weeks, you'll start to see roots growing from the submerged end and small sprouts, known as slips, emerging from the top. Caring for the sweet potato vine. As the roots and slips grow, make sure to change the water in the jar every few days to prevent bacteria from building up. Fresh water will also provide the plant with oxygen and keep it healthy. Once the slips are about 4 to 6 inches long, you can pinch off the tips to encourage bushier growth. These slips will eventually grow into the trailing vines that make sweet potato plants so attractive. Transplanting into soil. If you want to take your sweet potato vine to the next level, you can transplant it into a pot with soil. Choose a container with drainage holes to prevent waterlogging, and fill it with a well-draining potting mix. Gently remove the sweet potato from the jar, being careful not to damage the roots, and plant it in the soil, leaving the slips above the surface. Water the soil thoroughly and place the pot in a location with bright, indirect light. Decorating with sweet potato vines. One of the best things about sweet potato vines is how versatile they are for indoor decor. Let the vines trail down bookshelves, place them in a hanging basket for a cascading effect, or even train them to climb along a small trellis. Their vibrant leaves add a tropical feel to any room, and they pair beautifully with other houseplants. Troubleshooting common issues. If you notice the leaves turning yellow or the growth slowing down, it's time to troubleshoot. Yellowing leaves can be a sign of overwatering, while slow growth might mean the plant isn't getting enough light. Adjust the water levels or move the plant to a brighter spot as needed. If you're growing the sweet potato in water, make sure to clean the jar and replace the water regularly to prevent slimy roots. Enjoying your sweet potato vine. With just a little care, your sweet potato vine will continue to grow and thrive for months. While this project is primarily decorative, you might even get some small, edible sweet potatoes if you decide to plant it outdoors in the spring. Either way, the lush greenery is sure to bring a touch of life and beauty to your home. And that's it, a complete guide to growing a sweet potato vine indoors. It's an easy, affordable project that anyone can do, and the results are simply stunning. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel MtecHD for more fun and simple gardening projects. Let me know in the comments if you're planning to grow a sweet potato vine or if you have any tips to share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.